In the era of the internet, the opportunity to make $100,000 is accessible to anyone. However, the prevalent issue is the widespread consumption of low-value internet content rather than the creation of value. In this video, I'll outline 5 strategies to help you generate your first $100,000 online. Firstly, consider faceless Instagram channels. Explore the underrated avenue of faceless Instagram channels. These are pages with substantial followings that don't feature a person's face. Millionaire Mentors, for instance, has over 10 million followers and focuses on business-related posts using simple images or text. Monetization options include accepting sponsorship deals, engaging in affiliate marketing, or, notably, selling shoutouts. Many individuals are willing to pay for a shoutout on a popular Instagram story to boost their page and product visibility. If you sell a shoutout for $100, you need to sell 1,000 shoutouts to reach $100,000. Many successful individuals manage multiple faceless Instagram channels, leveraging them to promote affiliate products or their own, multiplying their income. Secondly, consider faceless YouTube channels. Similar to faceless Instagram channels, you can run faceless YouTube channels. This approach aligns with my expertise in making money from the shadows, contributing to the rapid growth of this channel to over 1 million subscribers in just 10 months. While YouTube automation is often misunderstood and misrepresented online, mastering this skill could be a game changer. Although I may create a comprehensive guide on this skill in the future, for now, consider exploring faceless Instagram channels. Thirdly, focus on sales. Sales, often underestimated, is a timeless skill and one of the best career paths. While making $100,000 through sales is feasible, the true value lies in mastering the skill itself, ensuring a consistent income in the long run. Fourthly, explore freelancing. In the creator economy, people are willing to pay for creative services. Whether you're a video editor, scriptwriter, or artist, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer opportunities. Even if you leverage tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI, ensure to deliver quality work, making necessary adjustments for originality and value. Before we move on to the last one, consider liking and subscribing if you are enjoying this video. Thank you. Lastly, consider creating and selling a course after mastering one of these skills. Despite concerns about being labeled a scammer, the reality is that investing in education is crucial for success. Only those unwilling to invest in themselves dismiss such opportunities. However, it's crucial to ensure you genuinely know your subject, involve experts if needed, and maintain a commitment to delivering high-quality content. Teaching others your skills and knowledge can be a lucrative venture, so consider it if you have valuable expertise. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed. Have a great one!